Mehariria ma Ministry ya Githomo kwa mukira arutwo a grade ya KENDA mwaka UKITE ni undu ukoretwo gikirirwo nganja kuona waki wa irathi 17,000 iria cirabatarania nduri urakinyanira. Thegia ya waki wa irathi ciuria ikonie mehariria ma igeranio cia muthia iria arutwo aya matanyitwo gugeka mwaka UKITE ni ndereti ingi itumurite urugari wa mbere kuona aciari matire marataukirwo ni mutaratara wa igeranio na ni atia arutwo magacagurwo kuingira thiini wa grade ya 10 thiini wa gikiro gia senior secondary.
Kenyans are used to summative assessment. It has taken root, but this is CBC has been doing both formative and summative. Can you tell Kenyans whether we'll have a summative assessment from the NEC for the grade 9 so that people start preparing in their mind, or everybody else will move to the next level? And if they move to the next level, how will you know who goes to which school and where?
Is that we have a team now from the Kenya National Examination Council, from KICD, from the Ministry of Education, and from our teachers, the practitioners, who are doing simulations on placement. And in principle, we have said each of our schools will run 2 pathways. They will run the science pathway as a pathway that each school will take.
Kuringana na kamiti ya bunge igie githomo gutaukirwo ni ngathi itiganite iria arutwo marabatira rungu rwa mutaratara uyu wa githomo ikoretwo ari thimo ndito itari yona wa guthimura amu Ministry ya Githomo ndikoretwo igikinyeria aciari na nyititemi agi riboti uria kwagiriire.
Let everyone knows that as you are transiting to grade 10, you'll be doing 6 this exam summative, this one is going to be formative, and these are the various pathways, and come out with the schools right now, early enough, so that every school is going to be prepared and say, we are on 2 pathways, we are on 3 pathways, we are on these pathways, and let them know what pathway are they doing.
There at home, in the rural, people are thinking that because grade 9 is a problem, why can't they move to second school? See that confusion? So if we keep quiet on this will cause confusion that at the end of grade 9, then the question would be, where is grade 10?
Akiaria mbere ya kamiti ya bunge igie githomo mwandiki MUKARU Ministry-ini ya Githomo BELIO KIPSANG atariria ati aciari matibatie kugia na wagagu akiuga gukinyeria mweri wa mwambiririo mwaka UKITE arutwo othe ni magakorwo na handu ha guthomera.
11,000 are ongoing. We are going to do another 2,000, so that is 13,000, so that when you do the 6,800 that is going to be done, it will be 18,000 classrooms, and it will have captured the total spectrum of our requirement.
Ihinda-ini o riu Ministry ya Githomo ni yambiriirie guthurima thukuru ciothe bururi-ini mehariri-ini ma waki wa miako ingi ya mathomo ma science mbere ya mwaka wa 2026 riria arutwo matanyitwo gukambiriria mathomo thiini wa gikiro gia senior secondary.
Starting January, we have 1,600 schools in this country which do not have labs at senior school level, mainly our day schools. We are putting in an investment, working with our development partners, to ensure that all our schools will have a lab.
Hadrini Hakameme TV, Jitagogena, Wawadirwa.